Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera everybody. Now we are going to discuss about differentiation for first derivative by using a simple equation, one terms. Okay, so to differentiate any one terms, okay, just follow the step 1 and step 2. Okay, step 1, okay, the index bring to the forward S1, and then step 2, the index reduce 1, okay, or minus 1. Okay, so differentiate y respect to x. Okay, just follow the step 1. So 3 is bring forward, and then 5x is remain kekal, and then the index 3 minus 2. Okay, so we arrange 3 times 5, 15. Okay, x power of 2. Okay, this is how you differentiate for one term. After this, we are going to term by term, but first learn how to differentiate for one term equation. Okay, example 2. Okay, as usual, okay, bring forward step 1, and then minus 1 for step 2. Okay, so now y, okay, dy dx, differentiate y respect to x, dy dx equals to 4 times 3 over 2, and x is remain, and then power of 4 is reduced by 1, so minus 1. Okay, alright. Okay, and then simplify. So 2 divided by 4 divided by 2, 1, so 4 divided by 2, 4, and then times 3, so 6x power of 4 minus 1, so you get 3. So this is the answer. Okay, the third example. Okay, so if you get the question like this, okay, you cannot simply, alright, differentiate. Okay, you must make sure, alright, x is not a denominator. Okay, so rearrange y equals to, so 5 over 2 times 1 over x. Okay, and then x actually is power of 1. Okay, let it become convert to negative indices, so you get negative 1. So therefore y equals to 5 over 2 x power of negative 1. Okay, and then differentiate y respect to x. Okay, equals to 5 negative 1 bring to the forward, so you get negative 1. Okay, so 5 over 2 is remain, x also remain, but the power negative 1 reduced by 1, so minus 1. Okay, and then simplify. So negative 1 times 5 over 2, negative 5 over 2 x power of negative 2 after you simplify. Okay, you can let your answer like this, or convert to positive index, so negative 5 over 2x squared. Okay, so this is for example for simple equation that contain only one term. Okay, now second subtopic is term by term. Okay, so how to differentiate term by term. Term by term meaning for example polynomial. Okay, the term more than 1. Okay, the term of x more than 1. Okay, let's write the example 1. Okay, so each term, okay, we differentiate. Okay, so straight this differentiate x respect y respect to x, so equals to, okay, bring forward minus 1, so 3x is remain, power of 3 minus 1 plus, okay, also bring forward minus 1. Okay, 2 times 6x is remain, 2 minus 1 plus okay, for your information, okay, any number, whole number that we differentiate, so equals to 0. okay, but why? Okay, why 0? Okay, this is the reason why. Okay, let's say y equals to 8, 8x power of 0, so equals to 8. Okay, so differentiate y equals to 8 power of 0. So 0 is bring forward. Okay, so differentiate dy dx equals to 0, bring forward, so 8x power of 0 minus 1. But because of you multiply with 0, so dy dx differentiate 8 at x respect to x, so it become 0. Understand? So plus 0. Okay, and then rearrange. The answer equals to 3x power of 2 plus 2 times 6, 12x power of 1. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, alright, for example 2. Okay, let's look like this. You cannot simply straight differentiate. Okay, so you must expand first. So equals to 3x plus 1. So 3x plus 1, okay, become 9x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 1. So y, therefore y equals to 9x squared plus 6x plus 1. And differentiate as usual. Okay, equals to bring forward, so 2 times 9x, 2 minus 1, plus c power of 1, bring forward, so 1 times 6x power of 1 minus 1 plus 0. Okay, because we already know if we differentiate any number, it become 0. And then simplify, so 2 times 9 equals to 18x power of 1 plus 6x power of 0. So power of 0 equals to 1, so answer is 18x plus 6. Okay, so another one, example 3 for term by term. Okay, before you differentiate, make sure this is power of 1 become negative in the index. Okay, so y equals to x power of 3 minus 4x power of negative 1, and then okay, you differentiate respect to x, so straight 3x power of 3 minus 1 minus, okay, bring forward negative 1. Okay, remain 4x is remain, so negative 1 minus 1, and then simplify, rearrange 3x power of 2 negative positive 4x power of negative 2. Okay, you can let your answer like this or this one. And your answer plus 4 over x squared. Okay, so last but not least, okay, for number 4, before we end our session, okay, what do we do first before we differentiate? Okay, so this type of question, okay, we simplify first. Okay, simplify first, become like this, so x cube power x squared minus 2x over x squared minus 7 over x squared. Okay, so now you get x minus 2 over x minus 7 over x squared, and then these two terms, we convert to positive and negative index. So y equals to x minus 2x power of negative 1 minus 7x power of negative 2. Okay, this is for function y, and then baru kita differentiate y respect to x, so power of 1 bring forward, so 1, so x power of 1 minus 1 minus bring forward negative 1 times 2x power of negative 1 minus 1. Okay, also minus 1. Alright, minus, okay, bring forward minus 1, so negative 2, 7x is remain, power of negative 2 minus 1. Okay, and then okay, this is equals to 1 because x power of 0 equals to 1, so 1 negative plus 2x power of negative 2 negative negative plus 2 times 7 14x power of negative 3. Okay, so you can let answer like this or rearrange back. So you get 1 plus 2 over x squared plus 14 over x power of 3. So okay, either one okay is correct. Alright, so this a few example about simple differentiation of simple equation and term by term. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.